So this is our lecture halls and the lectural complex of the Tashkent Pediatric Medical Institute, which is consisted by the two types of the lecture halls. And we can see that from this way we have a liner lecture halls, and from this side also we can see the totally our liner type of the lectures halls, which is consist, and here we have totally approximately like 120 students in the one time take the lectures. So in the lecture halls we have our professor electronic table where the professor can have all the necessary electronic version of the lectures by the presentations, and we blackboards and we have sometimes we are using our projectors, beamers. So next type of the our lecture halls is theater type of the lecture halls, and here we can see lecture halls when the students taking the lectures by the theater type. And in these lecture halls we have a totally 180 and 200 students can take the one time the lectures. Otherwise also by our lecture halls we consist our LED monitors, and every time we are taking some lecture by this type LED monitors. So today we have our freshman students from the national students, and they have some our lectures, and now we have a big lunching time now. So after the 20 minutes it's beginning the lectures. So you can see by the monitor we can translate everything from our professor e-boards.